Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Today we're making smoked turkey lentil soup. The flavor of this soup may remind you of split pea with ham soup. Not only is this soup delicious, it is also heart healthy. Let's go make it now. To make this soup, you will need diced carrots, green lentils, diced onions and celery, smoked turkey meat, olive oil, bay leaf, fresh garlic, and dried thyme. Also, save the bone from the smoked turkey drumstick. You can find these drumsticks from grocery stores such as Smart & Final or Safeway. In a large pot, pour in the olive oil and saute the diced onions on medium-high heat until they are semi-translucent. Add all the ingredients together. Notice everything is cut about the same size here for even cooking. Add some water if the pot gets dry. Keep sauteing until the carrots start to get soft. Then it's time to add the dry lentils. These lentils have been rinsed and cleaned. Unlike beans, there's no need to soak lentils before cooking. More time to flavor the lentils. Here's the smoked turkey drumstick bone we saved earlier. Add water and 1 bay leaf. I realized this turkey bone was too big for the pot, so I cut the bone down a little to allow the water to cover the bone. This makes the soup more flavorful in my opinion. Bring the lentil soup to a boil, then simmer for 50 minutes or until the lentils are soft but not mushy. What a beautiful soup! Wish you can smell the smoky fragrance and everything is tender. The smoked turkey meat in the bone provided enough saltiness, so there was no need to add more salt to the soup. This recipe makes 11 cups of soup. Each cup contains less than 400 milligrams of sodium and less than 5 grams of fat, which is why this soup is satisfying, hearty, and heart healthy. If you want this soup vegan, skip the turkey meat and use liquid smoke to get that smoky flavor. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how you like it. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Happy eating and see you next time.